Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to run your .NET code or .NET project from command prompt. So let's start. So to run your .NET code or .NET project from command prompt, you must have .NET Core SDK and .NET Framework installed on your computer. Once it is installed, then go to the folder where you have stored your code. So in my case, I have this repos folder. In my repos folder, I have some sample applications. So let me open this folder. Now go to this folder and search for the file with extension .csproj. So go to the folder where you have this file .csproj. So to run your .NET code from command prompt, go to the address bar and type a command cmd and press enter. So this will open a command prompt on the particular path. After that, type a command .NET -version and press enter. And here you can see the version of the .NET Core. So after that, to run your code in command prompt, type a command .NET run -project and then path of your code or path of your project file. So this is the path, paste over here, then again type /, then type the name of the .cs project file. So I'm copying this file name and pasting it over. So to run your .NET code project from the command prompt, I have typed the command .NET run -project and then path of my project file. Then press enter. And over here you can see the output of your console application. Similarly, if you want to run your web application from the command prompt, then go to your folder where you have stored your web application. So in my case, I have this folder called as WebApplication1. Now again, search for .project file. So this is my CS project file. Now again go to the address bar, type a command cmd, then again type the same command .NET run -project, then path of the project file. So go to the folder, copy this path, paste this path in front of the project, type a /, then type the name of the project file. So I'm just copying the name of the project file and pasting it over here and press enter. So now it is building your application, and over here you can see it is listening on this local host path. So press Ctrl and click on this link, and over here you can see I have successfully run my web application from command prompt. So in this way, we can run your .NET code or C# code or any web application from the command prompt. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.